Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. So these are general collective readings. Aries are not going to resonate with all of you out there. So take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Aries and send them the message or messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. Aries, before we begin, let me show you something. Wow, new beginnings coming, it seems, Aries. The 111 is on my clock for you. What I was actually about to say was, before we start the reading, let's take an angel blessing card, and then my eye fell on the watch and I couldn't resist sharing that with you. So let's take an angel blessing card for my Aries gang spirit. Blessing or an advice card from you. Blessing, advice or guidance from you, please. Thank you. This one. All right, let's keep this one here, Aries. Let's see what my angels are going to bless you with. So the card I get for you, of course, this had to come, right? With the 111. Just as I said, you are a leader. New beginnings, and you have to lead the way. You're very, very capable. You are the leader of the entire Zodiac sign, and here you go. So that's a beautiful card to get, right? You're the first sign I'm doing for the Love Bite. And a beautiful card with a 111. I am excited for you, Aries. Let's see what needs to show up for you today. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your wonderful comments and the support that you give to the channel. I'm very blessed to have you all here. Thank you. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, this is going to be just a small mini 9-card spread to check your energy and see what you need to know right now. Your longer readings are already up and more are coming. So look forward to those, Aries. Let's see what you need to know right now. The Tower in reverse. All right. Why is that here? Let's check your cards. 4 of Cups, 9 of Cups, 10 of Wands, Justice, Death, 9 of Wands, 7 of Swords, Queen of Wands, and the 3 of Pentacles. Somebody here, Aries, this looks like you today to me. This is somebody who's not keeping themselves to themselves, it seems, not really accepting any offers. Lots of people who I think interested in you, giving you subtle hints, some direct, some not so direct. But you are in that space where you're quite happy by yourself, it seems. You're in the 9 of Cups energy here, Aries, saying, hey, listen, I'm okay by myself. I don't want anybody's cup. I don't want to accept anything. There are lots of people maybe attracted to you right now, but you are saying, I like where I am right now. I'm stress-free. I don't want to be in a place where, I get into a relationship maybe and then I'm stressed out again. I've been there, done that. What I'm doing now is relieving myself of all this burden. I no longer I just need some time out to myself. I'm kind of enjoying my own company, and here you are, single, alone, but kind of, moving ahead very happily in your life. This is not a sad card from what I see. You seem to be really happy. 9 of Cups is a card of somebody being very self-sufficient, very happy with themselves, and that is the first step, Aries, to attract the best love in your life. The day you can love yourself, the day you can be by yourself and be happy with yourself is the day you have the most power. Okay, and that's when you will attract somebody who's on your vibration. So you really don't need to go looking, from what I see, because you're doing a great job. You're releasing yourself of all past burdens, anything that was in the past which didn't make you happy, Aries, all these past memories of things not going right with soulmates or spouses or friends. You are releasing all this energy now, and kind of you're feeling all right about it. Let's see. Justice in reverse, Spirit. Justice in reverse. could be dealing with a Libra who didn't do right by you, or this could be your general attitude that, yes, I'm now going to block. Look at this card. I'm going to be blocking anyone who's going to come towards me. I have a lot of love to give, but now I'm going to give it to myself first. My big cup of love, which I have in my hand here, I'm going to put a lid on it, and it's going to be reserved for myself, and then I'll see who's worth fighting for. I'm not just going to hand it over to any and everybody who comes my way, because people have not brought me justice. I've been the one always giving, and I always get left behind. So this time I'm going to now keep it for myself. So what's this death in reverse then, Spirit? As much as you are saying that, Aries, some little part of you, not a big one, but a little part of you still kind of holds that memory of a past person. This could have been an air sign in your life. You still are kind of looking for some kind of clarity, or maybe some kind of an apology, maybe, or some conversation which can clear the air so that you are free to move on and not be in your head all the time. Because you've had no clarity till now, Aries. I think you've been up in your head. You have been, of course, you've made yourself happy, but you keep thinking, I wish I could hear from this person's, like from the horse's mouth, as to why and what happened here. Why did this tower fall between us? So that's the only little thing that's holding you back, Aries, from not kind of completely letting go of the past, is you still wish to have this person maybe come back in your life and speak to you. And not that you're willing to jump right back in their arms. You are, kind of in the 9 of Wands energy, where you say, okay, I'm going to keep my boundary up this time. But yes, a conversation would be nice about why and how and why did this person sneak away? Why did they cheat on me? Why did they lie on me? And because this has been really bothering you for a long time, because sometimes you don't understand as to, okay, I accept it, but I still want to know the whys. Why did he do it? Why did she do it? So 9 of Wands, Spirit. Why is Aries in the 9 of Wands energy? Because I think, Aries, till you don't get clarity, it's kind of keeping you stuck, and you don't want to go back and forth in your mind now. You want to have clarity, even though you're very sure this time you're going to have boundaries. This time you're not going to meet this past person with the same passion, maybe the same excitement, or give them love or attention or anything like that. You just want answers to why this person was a thief in your life, why they cheated on you, why they lied, and that's made you really, really angry and upset. So you just want to be over in your head once and for all with some clarity. So 7 of Swords, Spirit. 7 of Swords. Whoever did this to you, Aries, whoever did this to you was very sudden. This was unexpected, and that's why you're still up in your head about it. Things could have been going a certain way, and suddenly, boom, there was a tower moment, right? A tower moment where your past person maybe did or said or behaved in a certain manner which shook you to the very core. And that's what you haven't been able to understand. And that's the reason you're happy. Yes, you're happy. The Sun card is never an unhappy card. So you're happy, but that complete happiness is not coming because you're still trying to understand why. I want to know why. And that's the reason you are still holding on to a bit of your grudge, bit of your anger, and not feeling that great. Queen of Wands, Spirit. Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands. Exactly what I said. It's not that you want to, have this talk with this person because you want to run back, have a reconciliation or anything like that. The only reason I think you really want to maybe meet them once more to have a talk is because you haven't been able to completely heal from the shock. As much as you're brave, you are a leader, you have been moving ahead, finding your own happiness, you still are kind of not wanting to, heal the situation between the two of you. I think you're still trying to heal yourself completely so that you can heal your broken heart. Right now, Aries, you are your priority, which is excellent to see. And the only reason I think there's no thought of reconciliation. I don't think so. Not in your head. All you want to know is, kind of just tell me why. Tell me why so I can get over it and move on. You want to hear it from the horse's mouth once and for all. So, Three of Cups, Spirit. Three of Cups. One more. You're not looking for a reconciliation, Aries, from what I can see. You're not looking that they should come back, and because you know that this person has created too much mess, too much conflict in your life. Each time they've come back for a reconciliation, I think it's ended up in a fight where maybe in the last time that the tower fell, this was very traumatic and they ended up in a fight. You don't really are looking for answers because you love them. I think the love has pretty much gone down the drain, at least from your end. This is a choice and a decision you need a final call on. You've already made that choice that no, I don't love this person anymore. This person is in competition with me all the time, is always jealous of me or speaks harshly to me, fights all the time. No, I don't love this person, but to kind of finalize this decision, I need some answers. So that's what your mind is still at, Aries. From what I can see, that's about it. You are on a very good path. You have kind of internalized whatever you could do by yourself. I think you've already done, and you're quite happy with yourself and you are moving ahead. You are still kind of waiting for that final conversation here, which will cut the cord for you, right? So that's all I have for you, Aries. If you don't get the clarification, maybe one day we can do a tarot reading and find out exactly why and what they did. All right? So till next time then, love and light. Namaste.